Guys, welcome back to XEOFI, and in this video we'll go through TR069, a new feature that was recently implemented. For those who are not familiar with TR069, basically it's a feature that helps you better manage your CPEs, that is remotely and efficiently. So this will be a two-part video. The first part will be configuring the CPE, and then the second part will be going through on how to manage the CPE from your dashboard. So TR069 from XEOFI falls under hardware. So any new CPE configured device with TR069 will automatically appear here within less than 10 seconds. So we are going to test that out in this video. So the first part, let's proceed and access one of our Huawei routers. Show you how we can be able to configure TR069 in Telecom. So depending on your router, you can reach out to our support team and we'll be able to guide you through efficiently. So once you've logged into your Huawei router, proceed to advanced and take note that this is the best configuration that we've found to be efficient. So for our case, we've used 2-1 configuration. One is for the service, basically using the PPPoE username and the PPPoE password, and then now this one is for the TR069. So take note that the service type we're using is plain TR069. If I go and add a new one, you'll realize that we have several TR069. There's TR069, there's TR069 internet, VoIP internet. So we are going to be using the TR069. But again, feel free to use the best method that works out for you. We haven't put any limitations. So once you've configured it, just to confirm that it's working, and the system information will proceed to 1, and it should appear connected here. So let me also mention that this device was already configured, and if you go to under hardware, you'll see it's this one, and the last time it was online, it was at 2:04 p.m. and on my desk right now it's 2:12 p.m. So we'll try and see how fast it takes to update here. So the second part on the CPE, you'll proceed to the system management where you'll find the TR069. So if you're using cloud hosted option, we will provide you with the ACS URL, give you the username and the password which you'll use here. Take note of the inform interval. All this can be changed. Actually, the inform interval here can be changed, but make sure not to put it a little, because we've been made to understand that putting it maybe like 5 seconds uses more resources of the router. So for our case, we've used the standard, that one is 5 minutes. And that's all. If we are using the self-hosted option, once you've reached out to our support team via your preferred channel, they'll be able also to share these configuration details for your case. So I'll pause the video here. Right now you can see it's 2:13 p.m. and I'll basically go ahead back and put here the ACS URL. This one is not the correct URL due to privacy concerns, and then we'll get back and see the last inform time, how long it has taken to change. Alright, I'm back. Right now it's 2:14 still, and if I reload the page, you see it was the last time it was seen online, it was at 2:04 p.m. If I reload, the time has changed, it's 2:14 p.m. So same case. So these are the only devices that are we have used with our ACS server. So for your case, any new device that comes online will appear here immediately, and they all come by default with the unassigned status. So once you click on your CPE, you'll be able to see the basic information, your manufacturer, the one configuration details, Wi-Fi details and connected devices. So apart from that, you also have the option to assign this hardware to a client. Once you've done that, from their end, they'll be able to also access the device and make some changes, i.e. changing the Wi-Fi name. And they'll also be able to see how many devices are connected on their router. So I'm looking at this scenario where a client calls and they say that they're experiencing issues with their internet, or they just want to know how many devices are connected to their Wi-Fi. This one is the best approach. Instead of guiding a client on how to log into the CPE the way we've done here, this one is the best approach. Once they've logged into the portal, they'll be able to see all the details. Something else to note is most routers give by default a DHCP lease of 24 hours. So the status here will always be active, meaning that this device had recently connected and the lease hasn't yet expired. So once it expires, it will not be here. It will not be on this list. Something else the admin can do from this dashboard is you'll be able to change the Wi-Fi name. For example, let me put it to XEOFI, and you can also change the Wi-Fi password. Let me put it to XEOFI 2025 and update configurations. So you'll get a notification that task has been initiated and changes will take effect shortly. So after some time, when I reload this page, you should be able to see the new Wi-Fi name, which is just XEOFI. Some more improvements that are on the pipeline at the moment is you'll be able to change the PPPoE credentials remotely, configure the DNS servers. Also, you'll be able to kick any connected devices from this page, but those are going to be the functions for the admin only. Apart from that, you can also restart the device remotely from here. No need to tell the client to use the button behind the router or switch the router off from the socket. Yeah. So last things last, let's try and assign this router to a client. So the status will change. And I was hoping that this Wi-Fi name will have changed by now. But it can take a while. But yeah. So thank you very much for going through this video. Really hope you've enjoyed. If you're interested in using TR069 for existing clients, please reach out to our support team. For new clients, it will automatically be provisioned during onboarding and it will be shared via email, of course. That's all, guys. Until next time, take care and yeah.